Before we get started, I just wanted to let everyone know that I now have some Fruit and Sport gear. I've got hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and the link to the store is in the description box below. So if you're interested in any of that, please take a look. Well, I hope everyone is doing well. Things are going great here in Naples, Florida. Just wanted to give you an update and what I'm eating for the day. So far today, I had some lemon water when I first got up. I did my job. I do tennis court maintenance. I took care of that with my wife's help. We do it together. It's a great time. We're up early. You know, wake up usually 5, 6 a.m. every day. After the lemon juice, I had 4 grapefruits, the juice of 4 grapefruits. But remember, eat the pulp. Very important. You want the whole food. Okay, so now it's about 10 a.m. or so, and watermelon juice. Blended watermelon juice, I tell you, it's one of the best things on the planet. I'm still getting decent watermelons here in Florida. So this is fantastic. So good. So I'm going to go through the day. I'll show you what I'm eating. This is basically morning food. I like to go with the juicy, sweet, juicy fruits in the morning. So I'll see you at lunch, but here's my take on how to eat, really. It's keep it as simple as possible. I personally, I don't know, I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I'd rather just eat, you know, a whole watermelon or 10 mangoes, you know, to get my calories. Now, not to say I like savory things. I enjoy salads and I enjoy salad dressings. But even then, I like to keep it simple. I don't go overboard. I don't like 10 ingredients or, you know, I'm going to make this meal where I'm going to have, you know, 15 different ingredients and I've got to run here or there to get these ingredients. That's not me. I want to keep it simple. Yes, occasionally I'll use some onion powder, some garlic powder, or some other herbs, you know, dill, basil, mint. You know, I love herbs, especially when they're whole herbs and not dried out. You know, I grow them right here. But look at these beautiful flowers I got going here now. Those are zinnias, by the way. Awesome flowers. If you've never seen zinnias, really beautiful. I mean, the colors just pop, and they're so cool. But anyway, so I'll keep you posted. That was breakfast. Lemon juice, juice of 4 grapefruits plus the pulp. Eat the pulp. Whole watermelon blended with the seeds. Yep, I use this. I drink them down, blend it up. It's fine. So that's the start. That's breakfast. For lunch, I've got a really nice lunch coming up. I've got some fresh figs from California. What I do is I blend that up with some medjool dates. And I'll use some carob powder, raw carob powder. Oh man, that's like fig pudding that's off the charts. And I'll have a lot of that for lunch probably. So I'll see you at lunchtime. All the best. The wonders of creation. No one is an artist like God is. Okay, it's lunchtime. I earned my food. I had a tennis lesson. So I got a little bit of a workout, and now I'm going to have lunch. What I have in here is I've got 26 raw mission figs. I've got 10 medjool dates. I've got a tablespoon of raw carob powder and 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. I'm going to blend that up, and then I'm going to show you what this looks like. It's a thing of beauty. It's actually purple pudding. But anyway, here's the ingredients. First of all, I had the fresh figs. Okay, I got these at Trader Joe's, 26 of them in there. Black Mission figs, excellent. Medjool dates, I got 10 of those in there. Got those at Trader Joe's. Raw carob powder. This stuff is awesome. I love it. I like it a lot better than chocolate. And you know, chocolate has some negative things with it. I'm not a big fan of chocolate. This is so much nicer. It's mild. It's got really good nutritional value. Carob powder, raw. I got this Herbazest off of Amazon.com. Okay, you can get that. And then I have some shredded coconut from Trader Joe's. No, actually I got this from Sprouts. So Sprouts, I think, is a great place for produce. And it's a really good store, you know, for your fruits and your vegetables. Very fresh, very good. So remember, you know, I'm into simple. I think the more ingredients that you add to a recipe, the harder it is for your body to deal with, especially when you're adding salt and all kinds of things. Even things like garlic. I mean, those things are, you know, they're not easy to deal with. Your body has to basically get rid of it, you know. Your body doesn't really want raw garlic, you know, so I do it occasionally. But I don't think it's necessary, and I don't think it's really the greatest thing for your health. But if I'm with friends and they made something that's raw and it has a little garlic, I go ahead. But, you know, we're not perfect. So sometimes if you try to be too perfect, it really is not healthy. So let me go blend this up and I'll show you what it's like. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I've got it blended up. How's that for purple power? Man, that's a hefty, there's a lot of calories in there. Dates, medjool dates, you know, one of those is about 50. I put 10, so that's 500 calories right there. And then the figs are, you know, I don't know where they're at, but I'd venture to say that's at least 1,000 calories. And on top, or more actually, on top I've got some dried white mulberries. These things are awesome too. If you've never had mulberries, I picked these up on Amazon too. That's Anthony's. Yeah, Anthony's organic white mulberries. Very tasty. You can use these to make raw cookies, you know, stuff like that, which is, you know, you don't want to overdo this stuff, and this is very, very rich and sweet. So, you know, this will last me a long time. And, you know, tonight I'll go for a nice salad. So, I'll see you at dinner time. All the best. Alrighty, it's dinner time, and I got a beautiful salad here. I've got some green leaf lettuce in there, some tomatoes, corn, peas, and some green cabbage. So, you know, I'll probably do 2 of these bowls, and there's a lot of lettuce in there. So your greens, your vegetables, you need them. You absolutely need them. For dressing, what I did, I made a homemade dressing, 4 tablespoons of almond butter, the juice of 1 lime, tablespoon of honey, some onion powder, and some fresh chives from the herb garden. There's some chives in there, in amongst those flowers. But anyway, that's it. You know, keep it simple. That's the idea. Don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen. You know, I mean, once in a while, okay, if you're making some special treat or something, but otherwise, you know. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Please, if you're first time here, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and that way you're notified anytime I put up another video. So I'll be doing more of these, and I'll be giving you some more recipes. But once again, mine are simple, okay? They're not hard. There's not a lot of ingredients that you have to get, but very tasty. And your taste buds will change, okay? They start to appreciate more natural food, you know, I mean, without adding all these condiments is what I mean, you know, and spices and so forth. You don't really need it, and you start to taste, oh man, they taste so good. So listen guys, take care. Please post any questions or comments. I try and always get back to you as soon as I can. All the best, and to your health success. Take care.